Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we are going to solve a nice mathematics problem, that is x squared minus y squared is equal to 9 and x times y is equal to 20. We have two equations, so our job is to find the value of here x plus y. So we have to find all possible values of x plus y. So first of all, let's say it is our equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. Now, if we take our equation number 1, that is equation 1 is implies that x squared minus y squared is equal to 9. So, taking square on both hand side, then we get x squared minus y squared whole squared is equal to 9 squared. Now we see that we can use algebraic identity here because it is a squared minus b squared whole squared. So if we just use on that, if we have a minus b whole squared, that is equal to a squared plus b squared and minus 2 times a times b. Here it will be x squared whole squared plus y squared whole squared minus 2 times x squared y squared, which is equal to 9 squared is equal to 81. Now here x 2 times 2 is 4, so x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2 times this x squared y squared can also be written as x times y whole squared, that is equal to 81. Now if we are going to see our equation number 2, here x times y is equal to 20. So x times y is equal to 20, we are going to just put the value of xy here, as we know that x times y is equal to 20. How we can find this? It is from equation number 2. It is given in our problem. So x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2 times xy is equal to, here sorry we have 2, not 2 but 20, so here that is 20 whole squared, that is equal to 81. Now furthermore, that is x4 plus y4 minus 2 times 20 squared is equal to 400, that is equal to 81. Now x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2 times 4 is 8, putting to 0 here, and here we have 81. Now x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, shifting this term to our right hand side, we get 81 plus 800. Now x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is equal to 800 plus 81 is 881. 881. Now if we are going to make this left hand side of our equation, that if we are going to make is perfect square, so we know that here we have if we just write x to the power 4 and plus y to the power 4, if we are going to add 2x squared y squared here on our right left hand side, and similarly adding the same term to our right hand side, 2x squared y squared. So we have just added 2x squared y squared on both hand side. Now here we have x squared whole squared plus y squared whole squared plus 2 times x squared times y squared, that is equal to 881 plus 2 times this x squared y squared is written as x times y whole squared. Now if we see here on our left hand side, it is actually a plus b whole squared, and we know that if we have a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, then it is equal to a plus b whole squared. So applying this formula here, then we get it is our a and it is our b, so it is 2 times a times b, that will be x squared plus y squared whole squared is equal to, here we have 881 plus 2 times this xy, as we know that xy is equal to 20, so putting here 20 whole squared, then our next step will be x squared plus y squared whole squared is equal to 881 plus 2 times 20 squared is 400. Now our next step is, so here we have x squared plus y squared whole squared is equal to 881 plus 800. Multiplying 2 times 400 we get 800. So x squared plus y squared whole squared is equal to 800 plus 881, we get 1681. Now if we take square on both hand side, square root on both hand side, so taking square root on both side we get x squared plus y squared whole squared, and taking square root on our left hand side, and similarly taking square root on our right hand side. So this square is cancelled out with this one, we get x squared plus y squared is equal to, here we have plus minus 1681, as we know that 1681 is equal to 41 times 41. So if we just multiply 41 with 41 we get 1681. Now it is equal to 41 squared, square root cancelling this one, square with square root we get 41. So here we have plus minus 41. Now we are going to just find two values of x squared plus y squared. So x squared plus y squared, first value is plus 41, and second value is x squared plus y squared is equal to minus 41. Now we see that here from this equation, and we know that the square of any positive number is always that is positive. So here square of x squared will be positive, means greater than 0. It will also y squared is greater than 0. So when we add or taking sum of two positive number, and it will be positive, equal to positive. So sum of two positive number cannot be negative. Here we have minus 41, so we are going to just reject this one. So this solution is rejected because it is equal to negative number. Now taking x squared plus y squared is equal to 41 and finding the value of x plus y. So here x squared plus y squared, and if we again going to add 2 times xy on our left hand side, and 41 plus 2 times x plus x times y on our right hand side, now it will become a perfect square, that is x plus y whole squared is equal to 41 plus 2 times value of xy, we know that it is equal to 20. So here x plus y whole squared is equal to 41 plus 2 times 2 is 4, so it will be 40. Now x plus y whole squared is equal to 81. Adding 41 plus 40 we get 81. Now taking square on both hand side, square root on both hand side, so cancelling square with square root we get x plus y. Here it is equal to plus minus square root of 81 is equal to 9. Now we have two possible values of x plus y. First one is 9, and x minus y is equal to minus 9. Here we get two solution of x plus y, and it is what we wish to prove, that x plus y is equal to positive 9, and x minus y, sorry, not x minus y, it is also x plus y. So x plus y is equal to minus 9. So it is our final answer, that x plus y have two values, one is positive 9 and other one is negative 9. Now we are going to just review our entire problem here step by step. It is easy mathematical problem, so I hope you have got all these steps one by one. Here we have x plus y, so x plus y have two values. First one is positive 9 and second one is negative 9. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.